Hi, it's Enfield car accident attorney Ryan McKeen here. I'm going to talk to you about car accidents in Enfield, Connecticut, and on some of the roads that they happen most frequently. We're going to show you today Elm Street, Palomba Drive, and Hazard Ave. And if you're going to watch right now, you can see how an accident almost occurs as we're driving. Somebody takes a left-hand turn, that truck is coming up the right-hand side, that it's very dangerous. That's a very common cause for accidents as we approach, as we go from Asnuntuck Community College down to where the car dealerships are in Enfield. You start getting into the mall area, some very, very high traffic areas. People are going to and from, East Longmeadow, Massachusetts, Enfield. They're doing their shopping. They're going to their Costco. So we're going to take a left here on Palomba Drive. I used to work down here at Enterprise Rent-A-Car, which is going to come up on your left. Again, this is a dangerous street where we would see a lot of accidents. A lot of driveways, 4 lanes, people driving very quickly, a lot of things to look at, signage, particularly as we come up on, I used to work at Enterprise Rent-A-Car, we could even hear the car accidents as they would happen at this stop sign and intersection up here by the post office here in Enfield. We've got Gale Toyota to the right. Look, we have some road construction going on over here. But this is a common stop sign where people, they don't see it. You can see how it's, near the pole. You've got things to look at. They blow through the stop sign and you see some collisions at the post office. That driveway has always been too short. If you get in a car accident, you're probably going to be at Enterprise, which is on your left back there. We're heading towards actually our office, which is near Smith Soft Serve, and actually we're heading near, though it's not going to be in this video, where I suffered a car accident that caused me to become a lawyer right down on Hazard Ave up here, just at the next intersection. So again, we're going to come into Big Y in Enfield. This is, again, it's like an 8-way stop, a number of intersection accidents at this intersection near Big Y as cars don't stop or stop inappropriately or cut each other off. We're going to turn into Big Y, and really I'm going to show you one of Enfield's, where we see a lot of car accidents, which is in the Big Y parking lot in Enfield. And I mean, one of the things I've never understood is why the town doesn't act more aggressively. Jersey barriers on this section of Hazard Avenue, which is just so dangerous. Curb cuts that limit turns, enforcement procedures. Because again, lots of people who go to Big Y, they may live in Summers, they may live in the Skidco area. That may be their closest area, their closest grocery store. Maybe they live in East Longmeadow, depending upon where they live. So you have a lot of traffic that's going to go. Big Y is a very popular grocery store in Enfield. A Tractor Supply store, but this intersection in particular is just so dangerous. Again, it forces you to the right, but a number of vehicles take a left across Hazard Ave, across 4 lanes into busy oncoming traffic, and you see so many T-bone collisions at this intersection. You can see this is so busy of an area. Night and day, cars speeding. We're going to take the right over here, and we're going to head, right by where our new office is. But this commercial district in Hazard Ave, Elm Street, Palomba, very high number of car accidents, and I think you can see why. Now, if you are in a car accident in Enfield, Connecticut, I'm going to give you just a few things that you need to know. One is that you don't have to talk to the other person's insurance company. You should always talk with a lawyer before you do it. There are no charge for consultations. We take phone calls 24 hours. We have lawyers on call. Can't guarantee them. You call at 2 a.m., we're going to get a lawyer for you. We will answer the phones, and our reception service will schedule for you. You're going to, if the police come, great. If not, you're going to need to, take pictures, make sure you get the other person's insurance. And it's very common, you should know, after a car accident in Enfield to experience pain hours or even a day or two later. And there's reasons for that because the adrenaline wears off. When you're in an accident, the adrenaline kicks in, you don't feel as much pain. The adrenaline then wears off, and then you can be most commonly hurt more a day or two later. If you're feeling that way, go and get checked out. Call your doctor, talk to a chiropractor, get some imaging done depending upon your pain, but go and get checked out. It's always better to be safe than sorry. If you have any questions, you can give me a call. I'm from Enfield, Connecticut. I have an office in Enfield, Connecticut. I'm Ryan McKeen from Connecticut Trial Firm, 860-471-8333.